Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit3 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy wearable application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, you should see your Galaxy Fit3. Now you can tap on watch faces and it will open the basically watch faces page, and here we have different categories. As you can see, you can scroll through them, find the category you like, and once you find it, you can scroll through the category by swiping left and right on it, and you can basically browse the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you would like to install on your smartband, then tap on it, then tap on add and wait. And once it's done being installed, it will be applied on your smartband. As you can see, you can also scroll up, and at the top of the page you have favorites, and here you have the list of watch faces added to your smartband. You can tap on manage, and here you can remove them by tapping on X, my bad, like that, or you can tap on them to basically select them and apply them. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.